In this question, we're looking at a context in which a company is selling phones. Demand for the phone is based on this function, d of x is equal to 5,000 minus 10x, where x is the price of the phone. So as the price increases, it's set up in a way that demand would then be reflected as decreasing as prices increase. Makes sense, right? The more expensive something is, the less likely someone would be to buy it. What is the company's expected revenue from cell phone sales in terms of the price X? So revenue is equal to price times demand. We have a function for demand. Price, we're going to write as just P of X is equal to X, right? The price is the price. X is the price. So the product of the price function and the demand function is going to equal the revenue function. So that's what we're going to do here. So price is P of X is equal to X. Demand is D of X is equal to 5,000 minus 10X, which was given. The revenue is going to equal the P of X times D of X. P of X is X. D of X is 5,000 minus 10X. Essentially, you're going to distribute that X to the 5,000 and the 10X, and you get 5,000X minus 10,000 minus 10X squared. Domains here, since it is in context, do reflect restrictions above all real numbers. P of X, the price has to be, well, I suppose something could be 0. That would mean it's free, but the price cannot be negative. In terms of the demand, X has to be less than or equal to 500, meaning otherwise then the demand would be negative, which demand can't go lower than 0, right? So then the domain for the revenue function would be a combination of the domains there. So that means X has to be greater than 0, but X also has to be less than 500. So the domain for the revenue would be for prices that are between 0 and 500. So the revenue the company would earn based on that information is that R of X is equal to 5,000X minus 10X squared for a domain of X between 0 and 500. Very similar question here, so pause it, give it a try, and come back and check. So same setup, the revenue function is equal to the demand function times the price function. The demand function, both were given in this case. So demand function is the first one, price function is the second one. When you FOIL them together, you get negative 25 hundredths x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1,000x plus 16,000. All right, let's try example 3.